Hi students, welcome to Scholars of for YouTube channel. So today I came on this dais with an interesting question that was asked in the previous SSC CGL examination. So let's see the question. The question is, find the value of x if 3 power cube the root of x plus 4 power cube the root of x is equal to 5 power cube the root of x. Okay. So to solve this question, we should have basic idea on Pythagoras triplets. Okay. So ఈ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి మనకి జస్ట్ బేసిక్ ఐడియా ఉండాలండి. దేని మీద? Pythagoras triplets మీద మనకు ఐడియా, బేసిక్ ఐడియా ఉండాలి. ఓకే. అండ్ we know that 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square, right? So this is nothing but a Pythagoras triplet, right? So just compare these two equations. So all base numbers are same in both the equations, 3 4 5 3 4 5. Okay, and powers has to be equal. So appudu em cheyali manamu? We have to equate powers. So cube the root of x must be is equal to 2. Cube the root of x must be equal to 2. Okay, so whenever you shift this root to right side, it will act as power. Okay, so directly we are going to get the value of x. So x equal to 2 cube. So x value equal how much? 8. Okay, so చివరిగా మనకి x value ఎంత వచ్చిందండి? 8 వచ్చింది. Okay, so then your answer is first option. Right? So in the same way you solve this question. The question is, find the value of x if 16 power root x plus 63 power root x is equal to 65 power root x. Okay, and just you get the answer, post in the comment box, right? So if you want more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button. Thank you one and all.